If you're running your stock Harley Davidson headlight with halogen bulb, you definitely need to consider an aftermarket LED headlight. It could save your life. And we all know those stock halogen bulbs are dingy, they're yellowish, and they just don't punch through the darkness. And we reviewed a lot of LED headlamps on this channel. Make sure you check them out. This video in 4K. In today's video, we're specifically talking about the ProBEAM LED headlamp from Custom Dynamics. Welcome back, Bikeaholics. Ryan Urlacher here, lawabidingbiker.com. Thank you for checking back in. If you're out there running a stock halogen Harley bulb, get rid of it, guys. It's plain dangerous. One of the first things I do on my motorcycles is upgrade to an LED headlight, not only to see better at night, but so that motors can see me better during the day. Want to save money, wrench on your own motorcycle, be part of the #1 online biker community? Every time that subscribe button and bell icon are hit, another biker joins the revolution. We'd like to have you. LED headlights such as this ProBEAM from Custom Dynamics are better for illuminating the roadway, traffic signs, and potential hazards quicker. All right, so in this video, we're going to install this and review it for you. Make sure you stay around till the end because I'm actually going to do a nighttime comparison between a stock halogen bulb and this ProBEAM from Custom Dynamics. And before we get installing this, let's talk really quickly about Fitment. So on Fitment, there's a 5.75 version. There's also a 7-inch version. These headlights fit, of course, Harley Davidson, Indian, and some metric models. Make sure, guys, if you want specific Fitment information, you want to purchase one of these headlights, link in the description below directly to the Custom Dynamics website. The Fitment information is over there. And this is a sponsored video. We want to thank Custom Dynamics for sending this ProBEAM LED headlight for a review. It is of high quality. We totally trust in this product after testing it. It wouldn't have made it on this channel if we didn't believe in it. One of the greatest things about this LED headlight is the fact that the low beam stays on when you switch to high beam. Just offers a greater curtain of light for you. And because Custom Dynamics makes high quality products that they believe in, they slap a lifetime LED warranty on this headlight. And today we're going to be installing this 5.75 version on a 2016 Dyna lowrider. Don't forget, end of the video, I'm going to do a nighttime comparison. You'll definitely want to stick around for that. So to remove this 5.75 inch standard Harley headlight, you just got a Phillips screwdriver. You can look right up underneath. There's a bolt and a nut on the back side. It's very small, so support it like he is. And you'll have to back that bolt all the way out. And you can see he got the nut off the back there. And then he'll just push that bolt through, and that's basically just a ring and clamp that keeps that headlight in. He's going to go ahead and grab that ring now that he's got the bolt out, and he can move that off, support the headlight, because it will just fall right out. And you can remove it out of the headlight bucket there. And just plugged in standard on the back. Grab both sides and pull. We've now removed the stock headlight. Okay, so we've got our Custom Dynamics ProBEAM LED headlamp, 5.75 inch, and we're going to go ahead and install that. And he's just taking the plug. We want to note one thing on the back. There is a red wire. That's for international models. You may have to hook that into an accessory switch if you're international so that you have a headlamp on when your bike's parked. But we're just going to, we clipped it and tied it off. We won't use it here in the United States. And then right there, he's got his plug coming off the back, and there's his stock plug. Very simple. And that's all you got to do. And he'll go ahead and place this back into the headlamp bucket. Make sure you have it orientated right. You can see how we have it orientated, so the Custom Dynamics logo is towards the bottom there. And he's got his trim ring, and of course the split goes in the bottom. He's supporting the entire thing there. He's making sure that headlight is centered, and going back in the bottom there with his bolt, of course, and his nut on the back side, and just the Phillips screwdriver. And you just pinch this ring together. You don't have to over tighten it. You can strip it out. Just fairly tight, and you'll know because your headlight and ring won't turn anymore after you have it. You can see about how much you gave it there. All right, I'm out of here. Hope you're well. Definitely hope you are out there getting some riding in. Peace.